You know that dress is actually put on, but with a welding torch. And that's why Bob Kelly went to a welding school this morning. Bob.
Hey gang, good morning everybody. I'm here at Delaware County Community College. They're offering a free welding class to help these folks get a job. My buddy Sean's going to show me how to do it. Ready? Helmets down. Come on, here we go, Sean. First we cut. All right, here you do it.
I'll let you
You
know.
do it, you do it. Look at that.
Get it now.
Push it down. Ready? We're cutting some steel. I'm going to be able to build a ship, or maybe I could have probably taken that USS United States apart.
Get it now.
All right, Sean, look. Oh, here we go. Now we got it. Now we're cutting. Stay there. We're going to come right back. Woo, baby.
Hey, Bob is on the job learning how to weld.
Because Delaware County Community College has a growing program. And there he is.
There we go. Look at this. Up, you tell me. Go ahead, Sean. My buddy Sean. I want to see sparks fly. Ready? Look at this. We're cutting this piece of metal, this piece of steel. And again, this is a free program offered by Delaware County Community College. 10 weeks to give folks an opportunity to get a job in an industry that is looking for workers. And a job that'll never be replaced by a computer. All right, Sean, I'm going to stop right there for a second. Hey, everybody. Good afternoon, or good morning, everybody. Look at all my students here. Pat, how are you?
Doing good, Bob. We might not be able to let you go back. You're doing so good.
Can we show how nice a straight line I did here, George? Can you zoom? Well, a little bit of a curve. I think they ordered it that way, though, right?
Yep.
Not bad for my first time. So tell me about the
You
program.
must be a natural. Okay, what you're looking at here is the students who are participating in the Good Jobs Challenge program.
Okay.
Okay, it's a fantastic opportunity for folks to get into the welding world. Once you learn to weld, you'll be able to have a job for the rest of your life. And we're going to have an in-depth curriculum for them so that they're going to be fully prepared when they go out into the world.
So this is an opportunity for everybody here. They're all looking for a job. You don't have to worry about sitting in classes, doing math work, right? You're going to get right out into the workforce. What are you looking to do when you get done here?
I'm looking to go to the shipyard and weld for them.
Okay, how about yourself?
I'm actually planning to do the same.
Same thing, to the shipyard. So the shipyard right down there on Delaware Avenue. All right, who's almost ready to graduate here? I think you're almost ready to graduate. Come here, pal. You told me. What's your name? What's your name?
William.
All right, William. William said he's looking for a job. All right? And we even have opportunities for the women here. Hi, what's your name?
Amy.
Hi, Amy. So how long have you been doing the program?
Only about 2 weeks. Or
2 weeks.
About a month.
Okay, all right. And you're looking to get a job in 10 weeks. They're going to be certified, and you work directly with employers who will call you and say, hey, we need a few specialized welders. Send them on down.
Correct.
All right, so here's an opportunity. First of all, they cut. You learn how to cut right here, because that's part of it. And then on this side over here, we're showing how you weld it. All right, bridge work. All the buildings that are going up in Center City. What do you want to do when you get done to the program?
Same thing. Go down to the shipyard and hopefully weld on some ships.
So you're not going to have any tuition payments heading back. You're going to get a good job working 40 hours a week right out of the gate.
Yep, correct.
That's perfect. I love it. All right, come on. Let's show me what you're going to do. Helmets down, right? Helmets. Oh, hold on. Helmets down, everybody. So this would be an example, like you see them working on the Ben Franklin Bridge, right? All right. So we cut the piece of steel, and this is laying a bead, attaching one piece of steel to the other. Something, again, you need to have the training, and they can give it to you here in 10 weeks. Look at that. Boom. That's not going anywhere. Wow, good job. Let's have a hand for my man right here. All right, so come here. For folks that are watching at home, or maybe they have children or others that are looking for a job, maybe college just isn't for them, where do they go to sign up for the program here?
Well, it's very easy. They can go on our website,
Okay.
dccc.edu/skilled trades.
Okay.
And there they can search good jobs, But once they get to that portal on the website,
Gotcha.
they're going to find everything they need to know about the skilled trades.
Come on, we need jobs for my buddies here at the Delaware County Community College. Come on. All right? Here, give me that thing. I'm going to see if I can do this. I may not be back tomorrow, guys.
Make sure you cover
Back
that
to you guys.
moneymaker of a face, Bob Kelly.